What's up, YouTube? Just a quick video on extracting broken studs with a welder. These are the settings I'm on right now. 135, 16.7, 120 volt. So I'm gonna have the nut join the party. Threw a quick tack in it before I was able to bust my phone out, but let's resume. Now let's wait for that to cool down just a hair. So again, wire feed, I guess, 135 volts, 16.7 or something. Alright, that looks pretty cool. I'm gonna bust that out. Voila! Super sheared stud. This isn't just some little broken stud. These studs all sheared because the 85 4Runner had full hydro steer, pushing against Humvee tracks. Okay, so these suckers are sheared bad. It warped the pinhole, as you can see, and they're all significantly broken. That one I already extracted. I'm not going to reuse this knuckle, this is just for demonstrative purposes, but yeah, that's an example of just how to extract a stud. I just keep my welder on this setting for all my stud and broken bolt and what have you extraction needs, and it served me well. Use a nice cheap SAE nut. Sometimes you want to use a washer first, but in this case I find it works better just to do the nut after building up a little bead in the middle of the stud. But yeah, real life example on extracting a stud with a welder. Sometimes it takes a couple tries, but once you get a good, not contaminated area of the stud nicely welded, it goes by pretty fast. So yep, that's all. Again, these are my settings. Happy extracting. Now I'm ready to throw this thing together.